Hi, I'm Jessica Williams, Curator of History at the Intrepid Sea, Air, and Space Museum. Today we're going behind the scenes in the museum's archives in celebration of New York Archives Week. The museum's archives are our collection of paper material, and that includes things like memos, letters, and official documents. And the museum's archives cover all of the major objects at the museum, so the aircraft carrier Intrepid, the submarine Growler, the space shuttle Enterprise, and the supersonic airplane Concorde. The museum's archives help bring to life the people who served on board Intrepid. And today we're going to look at one of those archives, the collection of Alfred Lerch. Alfred Lerch was a fighter pilot who flew from Intrepid in 1945, and on April 16th, he shot down 7 Japanese airplanes in one day, becoming an ace in a day. The Lerch collection includes letters, includes training materials, and perhaps the most exciting thing in the Lerch collection is his logbook, which shows that day where he shot down those 7 airplanes. One of the important things we do at the museum is preserve our archives for the future. I'm going to hand it over to Rachel Herman, our collections manager, and she's going to tell you about some of the things we do to preserve our archives.
Here at the Intrepid Museum, we take the care and preservation of our archives very seriously. In order to ensure the longevity of these items, we take a multifaceted approach to collections care. Those include 1. Temperature. We try to keep the temperature of our storage facilities below 72 degrees. This slows down the chemical reaction in paper. 2. Humidity. We want to keep the room between 40 and 55% humidity. Too low and your papers become brittle, and too high and you might have mold issues. And 3, we try to reduce the light affecting our papers. That includes encasing our documents in folders and storing them in boxes, as well as shutting the lights off when the items are not being examined or displayed. Another aspect of the preservation of archives at the museum is removing items that are damaging to the paper goods, such as staples, paper clips, rubber bands, and in some ways, most importantly, newspaper. While we all love to save our family clippings, they are highly acidic and not only decay quickly, but damage other artifacts. Here at the museum, we scan the newspaper clippings and print them on good quality paper to add to our archives.
The museum's archives are vital for our research and programming, and we're proud to be able to preserve them for future generations. For more behind-the-scenes videos, visit intrepidmuseum.org.